Okay, you guys, I bought this brow shaper off of Amazon and it comes with like 8 different styles and I want to know if this actually shapes my brows. Okay, hopefully I don't end up with boxy brows because that would be a disaster. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm gonna remove it. Okay, ready? Okay, I tried brushing this out and a definite no for me. Got my beauty sponge from the fridge. Let's try this out. Okay, dabbing in. Oh, do we see this? Look how flawless my skin looks. Oh my god. My skin literally looks airbrushed. Oh my god, I love this. Flower lipstick? This flower infused lipstick actually changes color as you apply it. So let's put it to the test. Smells kind of funky, but we're gonna trust the process. And look at that, a beautiful pink. I'm so impressed. The packaging is also gold. Now let's do a transfer test. Oh my god, it doesn't even transfer. Comment down below if I should try the other shades. This is the most thinnest brow product I've ever seen in my life. I went and got the Huda Beauty brow pencil to see if it would snap in half or actually fill in my brows. And would you look at that? Look how bold my brows look. I am so obsessed with this product. Go get yourself the Huda Beauty brow pencil for some bomb brows. Rihanna, we might not have your album, but we do have your eye brightener. And I'm gonna put it to the test. Fenty Beauty released this Bright Fix eye brightener and no one is talking about it, so I wanted to put it to the test. I'm just applying this on top of my dark spots and applying foundation right over top, and would you look at that? I did not look like a Oompa Loompa. Love this. Yeah, let's try this. So I actually don't have tape in my house, but I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. eye tape. Not bad, but too much work. We have to try that. So last time I actually tried this, I put it in the fridge and it was so good, but this time I put it in the freezer and this is like half frozen, so let's see what it does. Okay, I have my foundation. What do you guys think? I think it looks good and it definitely feels so good when you're applying it because it's so cold. Okay, what do you guys think? I just have my foundation on, but I really like it. It makes my skin look flawless. I don't think there's a difference between putting it in the fridge or freezer, but either one works. Let's try that out. And yes, I still haven't gotten tape at my house, so I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. liner tape. Black eyeshadow, and I guess she just kind of presses it in. Okay, I've pressed it in pretty well and it looks pretty good. Let's take it off. Honestly, I like the powder. It's just the whole like taping situation makes the eyebrow look so pointy and it's giving me Disney villain vibes. What do you think? How beautiful was that brow? Let's take off these boring brows and add a rainbow brow. Just added some concealer. Starts off with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, so pretty, and of course purple. Now it's time to clean it up. I mean, I love it. Remember when silicone sponges was every girl's best friend? Well, we're gonna retry this. So I'm just taking some foundation and just patting that in like I normally would. It's kind of hard to get around the nose, but we're gonna trust the process. So here's my full face. Doesn't look that bad, right? Wrong. Kind of patchy. Not looking too good, girl. Throw that shit away. Let's try this brow hack. So nervous. Micellar water. I'm shook. We're doing that. Dotting the wing. And then draw 4 lines. And now fill it in. Wow, I approve.
New
Let's review the
Anastasia
new
Beverly
Anastasia
Hills
Beverly
bronzers.
Hills summer collection. We have the cream bronzer in hazelnut. First impressions is it blends out super fast and it's so creamy. Cream blush. So this is the shade. This is Pink Dahlia.
Whoa,
and it's a little too pink, but let's blend it out. Blushes come with the brush, so let's blend it out. So pretty. Highlight. I'm so excited for this. Like,
Yes, glow.
blend. Okay, so first impressions, I loved all the products. They were so creamy and so pigmented. Love it. The only thing I felt like wasn't needed was the brush it comes with. It's a little too stiff, but it works well to blend out highlight on my body. We're gonna try it. Going in with a dark purple. Now we're gonna do the liner. I am just blending that dark shade out with a lighter purple. And then I'm just gonna apply that shimmer. Do you see this? Look how stunning this looks. I literally did this in like 4 minutes. This is so good. Obsessed with this hack. Let's do this. Foundation. Got cut off, but yellow for concealer. Contour. I definitely look like I came from planet Mars. Brows. My eyebrows look like they're the Grinch's eyebrows. Eyeshadow. Out of all the colors I could have picked for eyeshadow, I picked fucking green. Lips. This challenge did me so dirty. Yeah, we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna use a angled brush to dip into this liner because she's way too thick. And then she outlines the end. Oh god, I think I messed it up. And fill her in. And then we're gonna add some strokes to the front. So this is the brow. This is before. What do you guys think?
OMG, her gloss is...
Well, already know I went out and got the gloss. I couldn't find the clear one, but I found this shade. I fucking love this gloss. This is literally $4. Ombre lips, let's do it. Put on some red lipstick. Now concealer. I'm blending. This is how it looks. I'm gonna add some gloss.